job.
I am doing my job.
Not like
how you guys
this.
know how to act. You're gonna get arrested.
No. He's 13 years old. Don't tell
Heavy units inside.
What starts as a family argument is about to spiral into something much bigger. Police were called for a violent dispute involving a knife. But as you'll see, the real challenge isn't just the alleged attacker. It's managing an entire family that's emotionally charged, divided, and unwilling to cooperate. And that's when situations can become extremely unpredictable.
Over here. You got any weapons on you?
No, there's zero coming to quicker.
Just take a deep breath. Put your hands up for me. Keys? Okay, come stand over here with me, behind the car. Talk to me. You called. What happened? He bit you, or he got you with a knife?
Oh, you're staying out here.
Excuse me?
Where's your brother at?
Excuse me?
Where's your brother at?
Okay. I'm gonna make you go about them. They cannot get in the house like this.
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Who else is in here?
This is my house. Talk to him?
Yes.
He either opens the door,
Yes.
we're gonna kick it in.
Okay, you wanna talk to him?
Yes, we do.
You have to be friendly. What is that? ده بحكوك انت بنكسر الباب فخليك انت نايس على احسن.
17 County, hold here.
ايوه
Yeah. Come on here, talk to us.
تعال شوي. You have.
I don't have anything. I don't want to do report.
Where's this?
Yeah, where's
Give me this real quick. Never mind. Tell him he's being detained for now.
I'm gonna report you.
For you.
About your bad.
Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely. Move from this here. Outside, please. Outside my home, please. Please, outside my home.
That's not how it works.
This is the turning point. Notice how tensions are no longer focused on the original assault. Instead, family members are confronting officers directly. In situations like this, police attention can quickly shift from investigating a crime to maintaining control of the scene. One emotional decision can suddenly put someone in handcuffs.
Works.
It's my home.
Yeah.
You then ask me that you wanna get in my home or not. Go outside, please.
Okay.
Outside, please. And next time, do your job.
I am doing my job.
Not like
how you guys
this.
know how to act.
Get my kids inside.
Hey, it's fine.
And there it is, the arrest. From the family's perspective, they're trying to protect a younger sibling. From the officer's perspective, repeated interference is preventing them from doing their job. It's a reminder that during active police investigations, emotions often collide with legal boundaries, creating a recipe for chaos.
Somebody bring me an iPad. You touch me again, you're gonna get arrested.
No. He's 13 years old. Don't tell
Heavy units inside now.
He's 13 years old.
Get back.
Not
Get
me.
back.
Not me.
Get back.
I'm telling he's 13 years old. What did you want? Sir, he's 13 years old.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Let it go.
Okay.
Turn around now.
محمد انا ما بسوي شغله.
He's going to jail.
Okay,
That's a
بس
13-year-old. Put your other arm behind your back.
Okay.
Put your other arm behind your back.
I'm going to touch it.
Put your other arm behind your back.
I cannot open the door.
Turn around.
I cannot open the wall.
Turn around.
محمد نور انحبس. محمد نور انحبس. الله يفضح عنك.
Dostik, where are you at?
ليش حبسونا كلنا يعني؟
Get inside right now. Get inside.
خليني بس محمد نور. Could I have jacket? Yes. I'm talking to you, sir.
Flynn, open up your car real quick.
I need jacket or something.
You know what? You don't need anything right now.
Step inside.
Okay.
Okay. I cannot.
We're gonna worry about that later.
I need something.
I want to talk to you. Where's your car? Well, we're not gonna go over there right now. I think you should get checked out. I mean, they're very superficial, but I mean, do you want to make sure just in case there's like any lamp or glass in there? Did anybody else get hit or just you? So I know you guys came back from Jordan.
Yeah.
Right? You guys were in Jordan for a while?
Now we're getting a clearer picture of what actually happened. The victim is trying to defend his brothers while also admitting that violence occurred. Family loyalty can make these cases incredibly complicated. Even when someone calls for help, they don't always want to see their relatives face consequences once officers arrive.
Have you guys been getting arguments this whole time? So you've been back, or what, man?
Yeah.
Okay, so he never got you with the knife. So
No,
he didn't bite him. He hit him with the lamp.
Let me see your hand. This hand right here.
Yeah. Is this the first time you guys have gotten a... No. I'm telling you, don't get...
No.
Hey! I understand. Stop! Because he's fighting with... Hey!
Stop!
Stop it! No, this is getting... Talk to him.
He's not under arrest.
They have to talk to him, and you don't get to decide
We're trying to do our job,
this.
and he's hitting us.
And you called us. He's not allowed to put his hands on anybody. And he's clearly not happy with you considering what he just said to you. I mean, you called us, right?
Yeah.
Because he was out of control? So the other brother is the one that hit you with the...
Yeah.
I thought he was the younger. So you guys got to understand. I don't care. I get it's a family dynamic. But we have to do what we have to do. No one's allowed to put their hands on us.
Listen carefully to the officer's concern here. He's looking beyond tonight's fight and asking a bigger question. What happens if nobody intervenes? When weapons, repeated violence, and escalating conflicts become normal inside a home, the risk of a future tragedy increases dramatically. That's what officers are trying to prevent.
Hands on us. And if they do, that's where they go. They go sit in a squad car until we figure it out. It's unacceptable, okay? Unacceptable. We're trying to help you. You gotta understand we have a process. No one's trying to hurt him, but he's not allowed to hit people. Does that make sense?
I know.
And they're not hitting him. They're putting him away so that he can't hurt anybody or himself. No one's trying to hurt him. He's got to relax just like you do. So what are you guys doing for the night? Because you guys live here all together. So what are you guys going to be doing? And on your day off, this whole thing happens. That's what I mean. Is your dad is he going back to Jordan at all? How come everybody came back? Because I know because mom she had enough of them. So why did they come back? I mean, this is like constantly. So the point is you have marks, right? I don't care if he's 15 years old, he can't hit you with, okay? It's unacceptable. No one should be putting their hands on you.
Right.
So you did the right thing calling, because then we're going to figure out what to do with him. I mean, obviously he's 15. We have limits on what we can do, but we're obviously not leaving you guys in the house together, because what else is going to happen tonight? Someone's going to he got a knife. You think he would have stabbed you with it? If you didn't run out of the house, would he have stabbed you with that knife? Probably, right? I mean, he hit you with the lamp. He needs to get help. And seems like you do too. I get you're trying to stick up for your brothers, but you gotta let us do what we gotta do. Okay? I have to figure out what we're gonna do. She's just there for right now. She's not going to jail or anything. Your sister. She's just there so that everybody could be separate, because we can't have you guys running up. You know what I mean? It's crazy. Is it still actively bleeding or it's drying up now?
1713 Tony, you go ahead and release here.
Okay. I think they might have you they might just have them check you out just in case. Are you sure? Does it hurt? I'm sure it does. You know, I guess families got beef and stuff, but like you guys are always getting into something. Somebody's always fighting over you. Why can't you move out? You know, live somewhere where it's a little bit more peaceful. But it's too much.
Yeah.
I mean, the neighborhood has had enough. Like, it's just too. Is the sister's husband still here too? He went back to Jordan, or? Okay, because I know we had to deal with him before too. Like, you guys are always.
How old is your brother, man?
I did get it. I don't know if it's correct though. I'm gonna ask your sister if she can make sure because you didn't know the exact spelling of his first name, right? I gotta get.
They was eating when I walked in.
Okay. All right. Well, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna let your daughter out, but she wants something to cover her stomach. So I want to bring her something. Man.
In the end, what began as an argument over a ring resulted in multiple arrests, injuries, and a household left in turmoil. It's a powerful example of how quickly family disputes can escalate when tempers take control. The question is, could this situation have been avoided, or was it headed toward this outcome all along?
Man, you know, you brought the kids back. What happened? No.
But now this
Look,
is the first time.
They're breaking all your shit. They're fighting. Like, they can't be doing. It's too much, man. It's too much. One of these days, somebody's gonna get really, really hurt. Were they behaving in Jordan when they went back?
I put them in the school, but
Man,
I
would send them back because this is not okay for you. Okay, let me give her this sweater.
All right, well, go ahead and step out, man. Hey, listen, bro. Listen, man. Listen, bro. I'm giving you a chance, man. I'm giving you a chance. All right? Relax, bro. I get it. You're upset, but you can't act that way. Turn around.
Okay, take him.
You want me? Do you want the cuffs off or not? Do you want me to take the cuffs off? You gotta stop acting like that, man. Are you serious right now?
Let's take him.
I'm done, man. I'm done with you guys. Seriously. Everyone's going. I'm tired of this.
Alright, you can come with me. Here's your sweater. You got it in your hand? Yes. Okay. This door open. When we walk in, we're going to go straight through those doors to see where those officers are standing. And then I'm going to search you real quick, and then we're going to start what we got to do, okay? I got your brother's blood on me.
Me too.
Yeah, there's blood all over the house. What the hell's going on over there? All over a ring?
I didn't do anything.
No.
I don't know why I'm here.
Well, when you obstruct an officer,
I was
told
him he's 13 years old.
that doesn't matter.
Only this.
You have, what is this?
That's my baby.
Yeah, we're gonna take that out. Anything else? No. You have earrings or anything on?
No.
No? Okay. This one's good. I'll turn the light on for you. All right.
Altogether, the siblings face charges for resisting arrest, battery on an officer, obstructing justice, and domestic battery. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and be sure to subscribe for more Bodycam footage daily.